So me and my dad built something together, and it's pretty freaking fancy. My first one, hands down, first one. I'm really pleased with it. So let me bring you in here. Let me show you what we got, and let me know down below what you think. We have a 4x3 welding table with extendable extension, whatever you want to call it. I gotta still finish that up, but no big deal. But we can bring this out and make this table 7 feet long. I went with a 1/4-inch tabletop. I feel that's plenty for what I got going on, especially since this one is only 3/16, and that table that I've done all my videos with is basically sheet metal. But here she is. Finally, after a year of all this steel sitting in a pile, we got it put together. And we did use an arc Captain welder. Heavy duty frame. Adjustable casters from Vevor. And it moves around real nice. Let me know what you think.